Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in Venice, an incredible and indeed one-of-a-kind city. Venice, as we see it today, is the result of countless different styles that overlapped over the centuries. The outcome is indeed a unique city, with its very own style known as Venetian Gothic. However, before all of this found its place, around the 6th century, Venice was heavily influenced by the Byzantine architecture, since the area around the lagoon, known as the Venezia Marittima, was ruled by what remained of the Roman Empire. Today, we are about to visit together an incredible Byzantine palazzo, with its own courtyard, water access and water door. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. We are right in front of Campiello di San Tomà, in Sestiere San Polo. The location of the palazzo is very convenient, not far from the Ponte di Rialto and close to all the necessary services, including the San Tomà Vaporetto stop. Santa Lucia train station is just a kilometer away on foot and allows quickly reaching the mainland. On the main facade we notice the typical exposed bricks, typical of the Byzantine style. On the lower part, the water door access I already mentioned to enter by boat. Let's now enter the main door into the courtyard, passing through this bridge. As soon as we walk inside, we get into the courtyard. It is very elaborate with several architectural elements and embellishments made out of Istria stone. In the courtyard, one can also easily spot religious effigies, which are a rarity since the Eastern Roman Empire went through an iconoclast phase that destroyed countless religious images over the several decades. Then we also find several lion statues and friezes in their very own peculiar Oriental style. In the center of the courtyard, finally, there is this gorgeous water well. The courtyard is just under 100 square meters, and it's doubtlessly an incredible feature for such a home, giving light from the inside and at the same time being a private, quiet and cozy outdoor space. On this side, through these doors, we get to what was in the past a storage space and has recently been converted into a lovely guest space. It is 72 square meters and it is a lovely apartment. From the courtyard, an Istrian stone staircase leads to the piano nobile of the palazzo. While going up, the bare walls shift to a fresco that, even though incomplete, represent a balustrade overlooking the courtyard. The piano nobile is 223 square meters, with a total of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It features these impressive 5-meter-high ceilings, so they're about 16 feet, and you can notice how beautifully decorated they are. The floors are beautifully decorated with typical Venetian graniglia and also with parquet floor. Both of these materials mix very well with the colors of the wooden beams. These huge windows that overlook the courtyard ensure great light into this space that is very broad and large, but at the same time cozy and quiet. Right beside the living area, we have a dining room with just as high ceilings and 2 big windows, giving as well a lot of light. We then find behind this door a storage room, very useful and convenient, and right beside this large kitchen. As we keep going, we get to the bedroom section of the apartment. It starts with this entrance room over here, which lets us access into the bathroom, which can also be used by the common spaces, and at the same time gives privacy to the rest of the bedrooms. In fact, over here we have the larger bedroom. It is the master, with really high ceilings overlooking the square, with, of course, its ensuite bathroom. Beside the master there is another bedroom, also overlooking the square, and could very easily be turned as well into a nice office space. Last but not least, we have the third huge bedroom. It has really high ceilings, all beautifully decorated, and as well overlooking onto the canal. And here we are ending today's property tour. This is indeed a unique property full of history, charm and character. Perfect for someone that is in love with Venice and would desire to own a piece of it. I hope you liked it, and before I leave you, please remember to subscribe to our channel for new exciting homes every week. I will see you soon. Ciao.